Welcome to Rusty's house, where our young friend Rusty the puppy is about to learn an important lesson about responsibility.
Look, Bella! Look, Max! I've got so many toys!
That's great, Rusty. But shouldn't you put them away when you're done playing?
Yes, keeping things tidy is important.
I'll do it later. Right now, I just want to play!
Rusty, it's important to put your toys away when you're done. It keeps our home neat and safe.
But I don't want to. I'm still playing.
Rusty didn't understand yet why being responsible was so important. Later, Rusty runs off to the kitchen, leaving his toys scattered. Dad the dog enters the living room, trips over a toy, and stumbles.
Oh, Rusty, leaving your toys around can cause accidents. We need to be responsible for our things.
I'm sorry, Dad. I'll try to be more careful.
Rusty was starting to understand why he needed to be responsible. The next morning, Rusty wakes up early. He sees Mom the dog cleaning and Dad the dog fixing a leaky faucet.
Maybe I can help too.
Rusty starts by putting his toys back in the toy basket. Then he notices some dirty dishes in the kitchen.
I can help with the dishes.
Rusty carefully helps wash the dishes, then dries them and puts them away. Bella and Max watch, impressed.
Good job, Rusty. Helping out is very responsible.
Yes, you're doing great.
Thank you for helping, Rusty. You're really showing responsibility.
I'm proud of you, Rusty. Taking care of your toys and helping with chores makes our home a better place.
I like being responsible. It feels good to help and keep things tidy.
Rusty learned that being responsible means taking care of his toys and helping with chores. He discovered that it not only made his home safer, but also made his family happy. Rusty learned that being responsible means taking care of his toys and helping with chores. He discovered that it not only made his home safer, but also made his family happy. And so, Rusty continued to be responsible, taking care of his toys and helping with chores, making his home a happier and tidier place.